So in this exercise, we're working on the back of the shoulder, our external rotators and the rotator cuff. The aim of the game is to keep the wrist and the elbow in a straight line throughout, both in the horizontal position and in the vertical position. We want to keep the wrists nicely stacked, and we're ensuring we don't flare or arch the back as we make this rotation. This should all be occurring through the shoulders. From the back again, we're looking for a nice straight line across the back from elbow to elbow, and making sure we don't see any arching or tightening into that mid or low back area at all.
So the last part here for Becca to finish off now is we're just going to work into that new range of motion, and she's like quite significantly improved that from our first isometric hold. So we're going to do 20 reps here, focusing on a nice little squeeze in that back position, keeping the crossball squeezed, and 20 reps is basically just working on muscular endurance into that new range. If you wanted to build strength, you'd be working maybe 2 to 6 repetitions with a little bit of a pause at the top.
Last one, buddy.
So the last part here for Becca to finish off now is we're just going to work into that new range of motion, and she's like quite significantly improved that from our first